Right. Oh. There we go. Hey. All right. Let's see. Let's do some stuff. We're gonna work on some random stuff today. So let's see. Where is the? Here's the. I forgot what it was called. All prop. Looking for the tool. Toolbox. There we go. It's probably this one. Toolbox. Oh, that's the small one. The other one then. What's the other one called? There we go. Oh yeah, we made a half-size one, huh? Oh, that's what we should have here. Ah. We ever, Oh. Hello? Mouse? Mouse no move? Cool, cool. Cool. That's fine. Yep. Okay. Perfect time for my mouse to die. Right when I start streaming. Oh, perfect. Alright. Alright, yeah, so we should be able to go here. And then do we have a toolbox small? That we just never used, apparently. Also, let's start deleting these. When I first had this set up, it was importing the texture as well. Let's go here. I gotta open this still. Hey, cat. Overlay. Cat. Close that. Open this. Gonna open the thing on the YouTube stream. Oh my god, so much. Okay, click the buttons, click that button, there we go, okay, done. Perfect. Okay. Perfection. Alright. Cool. Where's the thing over here? So many damn tabs. That's what it's all about. All right, so this is the main gradient. Oh wait, we have a crash right now, huh? Don't we? Don't crash. Maybe if I ask it nicely. Sometimes that works. You never know. It could be that one day that is nice to us. No, it isn't. No. All right, we'll manually add it. Either way, the main goal isn't that. It was so let's keep that just to see the scale. I wanted to see. Okay, so we got the scale of it is like 0.7, 0.8. Okay, because we're gonna design this around that, right? So cube 1 meter. Well, let's literally just do 0.8, right? That cubes in there. All right. So what I'm imagining with this is we'll just keep it simple. A word I totally use all the time because my stuff's simple. I don't overcomplicate things. Never have, never will. All right. Now let's. I'm just gonna open this level. I need to have it where. So right now, because I get the primary data asset, the asset isn't loaded here, right? Because it hasn't been accessed. I need to set this up to just access it, or get this folder by getting the actual folder, searching the assets, comparing their name, and adding it rather than the way I'm doing now, so that it automatically adds levels here. The reason I did it the way I did was so that it could just be simple, but it ends up not working. Since last stream, I worked on a couple things. I fleshed this out a little bit. Now they walk to it. I have it disabled at the moment where we can't actually sit because there's no there's no animation for it, but I have it all set up so I can start doing that. But what I was thinking was if we take these, we need to rename that. So hold on. Scripted asset. No, this isn't mine. Where's my scripted asset thing? Oh, it's still in the other. God damn it. I need to just import that over here. I have a thing where all I do is I right click a mesh and it will name it based on the folder. Toolbox large, and then the asset type. Right, so if it's a static mesh, it'll name it static mesh underscore folder name. If it's a texture, it looks at the texture name and the compression type to see if it can figure out if it's a normal map or not. Sometimes I don't put the underscore n or whatever, or normal, I think it's like substances instead of always, or I'm using something else. Okay, cool. So let us split down the center. And we're gonna pop, something like that. Let's go here. Say this is like this one might have its own unique texture or something to show that it's on. Maybe just have even if it's just a blank screen and like a red mark, something, something on it. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. We shall see. Alright, cool. There we go. I don't know, do I like that? Or do I want it like this? Oh, like this. That's what I was thinking. There we go. Yeah, let's do like that. Have like a little base around it. So. Something like that. And then we'll do like what I'm thinking is like little pipes at the side or something. We do like a little can we do circle? I forget. Can't we do isn't it a thing in here where we go like this? We say this, and then bridge. Or is that a plugin? I'm thinking of number cut. No, there we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, and then smooth that. Okay, cool. We just need to make these smaller. I'm gonna delete that one. Probably gonna be able to do this. The shift plus. What the hell's the select more next active? What is it? Control. Come on. You can't. Okay. I mean, I guess it should be like this, right? Hey, so that one works, but the other one doesn't? Really? Rude. Roll numpad plus, right? No, not more. Oh my god, I'm just gonna. I thought I'd fix the shortcut. What the heck happened here? God dang it. Son of a gun. Weird. Okay. Oh. The edges. Whoa. I just want to dissolve the edges. My god. Delete edges. $90. Bridge. Took too much effort for that. It's overly. Done. Right there, maybe. Perfect. All right. So, please scroll out. Game. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we'll have like there you go. We'll probably do a little. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think that, yeah, that's why. So this wasn't flat. Yeah, whatever. What's the even? There we go. Like, I know it's some command here. I freaking hate that command. Or I hate that it, by default, it's not. Is what I should say. Yeah, there we go. Something like that. Let's cut at these edges. Mark sharp. Probably could do like a little bevel here. I don't think it will be noticeable, but I like to go extra. It might be a little, especially if we're not doing any come on, god damn it. Sorry, my scroll wheel. I need a new one. A new mouse. Come on. There we go. Darn thing. Alright. So I think this goes like this. Then first we they basically have like this. Yep. Like a alright. Yep. Yep, yeah, well, this place like it. Okay. Shade smooth. But then so we're gonna take this inset. Right. And then angle. Yeah. So that will be like a add whenever we're here finally. We'll probably do like a little light when you activate it. Is what I'm thinking for that. So I'm building it. So you know if it's here or somewhere else, your ship. Let's make that bigger. And then this overall can always be smaller because come on, zoom in. Zoom in, please. This overall can always be smaller because it isn't important. No, it can always be smaller because it's not gonna actually have anything on it. Right? But then like the actual physical use of the device have to tell us then. There we go. Clear, sharp. Hold on, please. Stop it. What the heck is happening up here? Oh god. Oh, merge by merge center. Okay, cool. Oh, you know what's happening? Isn't actually transforming correctly. We need to apply transformation. Apply. Yeah. Apply transforms, and it's apply. Oh. Yeah, all transforms. There we go. That's what button it is. Good to know. All transforms. Because that enables you to then I'd edge up a little bit. Sharp. Ooh. Perfect. All right. Alright, cool. And then what I'm thinking for this is literally just like a dumb little, like, it's gonna have like boundary yes, individual, like they're just two giant buttons. Or should that just be one giant button? Yeah. Because we could do like this. Individual. Make it dumb proof. Hello? Please zoom in. Oh my god. That for sure is the one that does it. Hello. Boop. We probably should make this like a separate button, but still. And then I could actually, like, we can actually just do that here, right? We'll. Hold on. Tell me. Sorry about that. Gotta call my lease. Like, yeah. Making sure I get it done. I'm like, yeah, duh. Oh, yellow. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, so let's literally just. Do it the smarter way, you know, after the fact. Do it the smarter way after we did it the dumb way. So that we can, you know, actually customize it and blah, blah, blah. Who needs, you know, whatever. Oh my goodness, the whole pivot point being off, I hate it. Yeah, so now we could technically do something like this where we say like that would be y1 y -1 -1. And then let's do like another copy. And then a big red button. Alright, let's have one there. Do like this, kind of do like a little symmetrical design here. Something like that. Cool. Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. So let's get over here. So this will be like And then for here, I should have UV'd this before, and then all I would need to do is change the color of one thing, but now I gotta do them all. It needs to have more than one thing selected. The natural thing to do should be to like assign it to every single one. Why is this not why are we not seeing color? Okay, cool. I was like, wait a minute. I broke them. Come on. Like, should this be a... Come on. Stop it. Hey. Something like that. For these ones, probably going to be a material, so we'll have it like that. This needs another thing of emissive. I mean, I guess if it's the other emissive that I have, it would be just, we're going to do a solid color on this always, but I'm not sure what we're going to do exactly yet. There we go. Something like that. And then we just make it go. Ta-da! So this would be models, props, rocket. I guess this will just be a control console, right? Because it doesn't necessarily have to be for the rocket. It's going to be, but. I have to say I only speak English, but what is this program? Blender 3D? Is what it looks like, you're asking? And then this is Unreal Engine. If that's what you're asking. Alright, let's see. Oh. Ooh, that's pretty neat. Kind of makes it. Okay. Zero. Good. So. That's not too bad, actually, looking at it. would be something like this. So like interact. Boop. Nice. And then this one, all one. Oh, and there, here. Nice. Boop, boop, boop. There. Now we gotta set this widget. Set that back, up, over. Perfect. Cool. Interact. Ta-da! I feel like I want to do like wires or something, like stuff running on the ground. I know I want to do like a little lights, you know, that you see runway or something. Do that thing like all four corners gets a little light. That could be fun. And yeah, it's not bad. I need to set it to do some stuff. So let's do this. Let's go. Or I guess in our. I'm gonna say let's expand our player interface. I think the player has. Hopefully, I think so at least. But there's a player interface specifically. Alright, blueprint. Raise player. Class. New location. We're gonna do new location. What else can we get from this? What should we need to send? Actor. I was gonna say like the actor requesting location. But yeah, we can just to play it safe later down the line. An actor reference. Vector reference. Location. And then we'll change all this too, right? We'll move that over there. And then time. Or our distance, I guess. No, that shouldn't even matter either. We should always use the same little I guess we can ask like, is this the player requesting? I don't know. We'll see. We'll update it if we have to later. So in Milo, we'll just have that. What is it now? Request move to. Oh, I gotta fix that. Patient. So last and nope. Event class. Cool. And then bench. Basically, yeah, let's do this whole thing. Wait. I guess I could have a bool on there, whether or not I should disable input. Option. This. I mean, this would be self. We breaking things today every single day. That's what we do. That's what we're here for. Okay, so this is self. I did the system to like sit on benches and stuff like that, but I wanted it to be where where I can call it in more than one place to have the player move to a location. If that's true, then we need to set that to false. There we go. And now we should be able to just do this. Be able to say request. Well, hello. Move to location. There's a message. Our move to goal is here. This is self. And then target is this. And then on there, I guess we can, we could return, a like move to completed, right? I guess, but we probably would be better off calling it a different event. Yeah. No, there we go. Okay, cool. That should hopefully work. I mean, that's it. Because then we can kind of. So, boom. Cool. So now we can request move over here. Hello. But yeah, we did the what's it called already? Location. We made a little console for this so far on stream. This is what we did. Alright, so request move to location. The move to location will be literally the same thing. Because we're going to be doing world location of that. And then the move to location. Because this is going to be its own little thing. instance editable, show in 3D, and then here, this one, copy it, paste it. Ta-da! We now have a correct location and rotation for this position. So we can boop. Ta-da. So yeah, on the player we would need to do, how would we return it? I guess we would just see if we do this. It has to be a thing, huh? Is there a way to use that and still no? Because then it becomes a function, and we can't call a timer and a function. Or can you? Yeah, you can. You just use. We can't call this timer. The timer by event. No, by function name. Set timer by function name. It's one of them. It's gonna then check. It'll get it eventually, right? Okay. Don't freak out. Alright, so now location. Right. Then there should be a return node. But this won't return. So we'd have to I don't like it. That out later. Me again. Was duplication. We'll worry about that later. Oh yeah. All right. Weird. Probably breaks up. Okay. Either way. Okay, cool. How long is it? Oh, damn it. I reversed too far. We done reversed thing. Trying to get that back the other. Thankfully, it's easy enough to add back. Hello? No? Oh, can we go to this one? There we go. Because yeah, that is something I would have to know, right? Is getting the when it finishes, where I get that here with the timer in this, but I don't. If I, oh, I guess yeah, we do. We can do this, right? We can. So that's why I'm sending it self. So now, in the player, we could call something, right? We can call Let's get this. Come on. So on this, instead of just setting this to return, let's also, and I guess this is where this being a function and calling this could be beneficial. I don't know. But we just call event release. So it's main interaction released. Where I think by default that doesn't get sent. So I'll have to check. Here, we'll have to check. Main interaction released. Print. It got released. Right. Oh, not only does it call it, it calls it over and over and over. Because we're calling it here too. So what needs to happen is if we're here, this is getting ended. Timer. Invalidate timer. Which will save all this as variables and stuff in a minute. I just wanna. Was it getting that before though? Let's check. So let's go far side so it takes a second. Okay, so it does get released before I even get over there. Okay. So we need something else that doesn't get sent over, which is main event player enter radius is already getting called. What are they? What is here? Let's just notify it. Let's just be like, so I need to. So interact. And we'll just be like, this is an extra interact. By the way, anyone on Twitch, you guys are gonna get an ad in a minute. So, and I'm probably gonna get up and stretch for an hour. I'm trying to do better at that. Let's see though. So yeah, let's just add another one because I always have this issue, and then I'm just like, oh, how do we hack this? How do we? And I normally just hack the main interact with or something else. So let's see. What do we have right now? We have just okay, so there is some other ones to call if I really wanted to. We could just call action key or alt interaction. I think that's what alt interaction was meant to be, but alt interaction is also tied to a button. So I think what we're gonna do is literally just add a add something just like this where we're just gonna where we're just gonna send the same information basically, right? We're gonna say this is just a event interaction. Interaction from event because then it should organize a little better, hopefully. And then this is just how to ensure added. So cool. So let's build. While that's building, close this. Now I'll be right back. All Twitch is on an ad, but I gotta get up. Recommend y'all do the same. Get up, stretch, and all that. Everyone sits too much. I gotta fix the Milo on the BRB screen. And I know how now. Oh, god dang it. It always likes to tell me there's one error, and it's literally... Okay, on this one there actually is an error. But... I was about to complain like, this son of a beach. No, I don't even think I'm using that dialogue interface anymore. But we'll see. But no, most of the time there's like this one error and it's an editor thing where like it's not really an error, but I get it because that happens in all the projects. Weird Visual Studio thing. that I just gotta put up with, and oh, game, where are you? There we go. Okay. I have to have so many tabs open for like stream and stuff that I get lost and just like I can't find myself. So it's opening. Takes a second. I hope everyone's doing good today. Having a good week. Crazy week. Not really. I mean, it's more just I'm exhausted. I went swimming last night. Drains me. They were. Time. My schedule's all whack. Cool. Nice. Okay, cool. So now what we're gonna do? Get rid of this. Press new location. Oh. Get rid of that. We're gonna do the interaction from event. Event interaction. It was leg day and I did offset, so you feeling it too? Yeah. I mean, for me, like every day is leg day. I'm doing everything. I'm not trying to gain muscle at the moment. I'm trying to lose weight. Been great though. It's been good. It's been going good. Interaction, not event. Event. Been really. All right. So now we would then do this, right? On this one. So. And then for bench, we now need to override what I did here. Oh no, we're requesting move to location. So why? Oh, never mind. I just was. Okay. Okay, and then in the player, we do stuff now. How long am I streaming for? Until the stream ends. I don't know. Probably another 2 hours, at least. How's it going? Hopefully your day's going good. All right, let's see. So break that one, and then this one's gonna be an event. All interaction on event. Target is the actor. This is self. But yeah, it depends on. I'm feeling good today, so probably a while. Oh, is it working? It looks like it's working. Oh, you know what? It's happening over and over again. Oh, okay. So, oh, that's so odd. Okay. So request move to location. It should then be. Hold on. If distance of actor and this location, if A is less than or equal to B, B is the move to location. If that's true, invalidate timer. So that should only be called once ever. Oh, you just got sent home? Oh. Alright. I mean, yeah. I mean, it depends if I get a phone call then. No, nice. That's pretty cool. Alright, so invalidate. We probably need to actually just, here, let's do this correctly. So this is the what timer? And this will go into like a folder of timers. Timers. This will be distant. Okay, so now that should be there, and then let's invalidate by timer. Oh, and what is it? Not just invalidate, but distant check timer get, and what is it? Clear and invalidate. That's why. Probably, maybe, I don't know. I think that was what I meant to call. Really, we could just pause it, but... And then we can move again, and then we can interact. Cool. So now we should have these talking to each other. Boom, boom. And only doing it once. Perfection. We can leave. Ta-da! And then we're traveling back to the same spot. Ta-da! Bam. Oh, look at that. It's like I know what I'm doing, almost, nearly. You just get a glance of it. You know, it's there every once in a while. We're just like, maybe Volkiller knows what he's doing. Oh. So this. Step on. Can step on. False. And then, I was so weird thing, but just footprint. Foot. No. Hopefully you saw first what first said about the inventory questions you were having too. Like kind of like that solution where it's like that's kind of what I was explaining, just in a more all right, cool. Yeah, that's cool. Hubris. Oh. All right, so we've got that. We can now, I think I need to add like a little bit of like, instead of keeping the square, I need to add like do a little bit of, you know, stylization and wonkiness, you know, like maybe like bend a corner, bend a kind of thing. It's a little trickier to implement than you thought after your light bulb moment, but it appeared. Yeah, like that's what. Yeah, I just know like or explained it pretty well. Or in a way that, because I was gonna say I know that's how I think I had stuff set up, but I don't have to worry about the count. So like I just have a T map that's my data and amount, where it's like, so if you have a struct, you can have the struct, you know, whatever. And that's where I was like, I don't know what your current inventory system was, like, but it shouldn't be. It should. The work is more like replacing everything, right? Like, where it's like, ah, crap, I referenced this here. That's why I was like, it's gonna suck if you aren't in a struct already. Like, where it's like, you gotta, you know, like, I really like these. So I redid the push. Gym around 6-ish. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. I redid the bush, obviously. Hopefully. Hopefully obvious. I could actually import the longer one. That reminds me. So we got these. That one's done. So now nature les bouches. I had made one double the size. Right? Double-ish. Double-ish. Hello? Please? Thank you. Yeah, you had to go through all your add and remove switch item function. Yeah, make sure it's accounted for. Not just the item. Yep. Yeah, I did that. Like, I didn't do durability, but I did, like, I know I definitely, like, that's where I like, it's nice. Have you checked out plus this? No, I haven't. Or I've seen it. I know that much. But I don't normally do like a lot of like CAD stuff. Like I know my buddy Circa, she has talked about this, I believe. For more like 3D printing. I also don't like paying for stuff. I have exactly not too bad. It interfaces with Blender. Oh, that's cool. I have exactly, let's see, no money in front of me, so no money. I was seeing if I could find a quarter. Like a, yeah, that's like I've seen what is it? One of the Pablo that worked on the sculpting upgrades for Blender last year and the last couple of years. He came out with like or worked with some people on like doing like an iPad app. And I've seen like good stuff about like Nomad. But yeah, depending on what you're doing, there's definitely a lot more options nowadays. It's crazy all the like the iPad and all that ones though, where I'm just like, what? Like this is a mobile app? Like why does it take so much memory on my computer then? But like Nomad looks really good. And looks like you could really do, like, I've seen some really crazy sculpts and stuff from there. Hello? Tab, please? Like... and then what was the... Is this the one that was the... But I know it's like a retopo tool. The one that... Pablo, I forgot his last name. Like Vasquez, or that's the other. There's too many. There was two Pablos working on Blender at the same time. It was too many. Is it Pablo DeBarro, or is that the? No, this is the sculptor. Here we go. Yeah, so. This is like a, they've been working on this. and it's super crazy. Oh, is it called Uniform now? Yeah, Uniform. No? Cozy Blanket? I don't know. It's whatever. It's one of these. There's all sorts of them now. Yeah, I think it's Uniform. Their app, though. Where it's like, it was built for like Retopo and stuff. Like, it's got some crazy stuff going on, though. Where I'm like, where's this on desktop? Like, yeah. Yeah, it's definitely something I haven't looked too much into, though. Hello? Hello? Please? Oh. That's pretty cool. How long have I been working on this game now? Actually, like, working on it, like, full-time. I would say... When was that? Like... like 5 months, maybe? I started it, like, a year and a half, 2 years, where it was just a little side thing that I'd go to randomly. You know? But this game right here, I haven't been working on too long. At least that's what I tell myself. Hello? Object mode? There we go. And I just, when I first started streaming again, in like October and stuff, is when I really started like nailing everything I liked down. What color is this? Because that is definitely not what color this is. Like in me, I'm kind of. Am I working on? You're working on Folds? I kind of always have, but like this game specifically, working on it. I just don't. My full time's different than a normal full time, I would say. I don't get a full 8 hours a day on it, but I working on Gamedev. I only work on this, but yeah. All right, save that. But I've always kind of. I mean, this is what I do for a living at the moment, too. So yeah. That's why I definitely. I think one of the things I'm gonna have to do is like update lava and stuff like that at the end of the month, or delisting my games on Google Play. That's probably something we're gonna have to sidetrack on, so I can get something. Let's go here. Dude. Hello. That's why one of the things I've been trying to work on is doing like getting my YouTube watch time up again, so I can run ads on YouTube. Not that freaking ad money is nothing. Especially like I'm not a full-time streamer or anything like that, so, or I haven't been. But yeah, I don't know. I'm really liking this game though. I have everything I want for the most part planned out. It's just about implementing it now, and we've started implementing features on stream. And my biggest thing was that I like took a long time on was the art style. I was like taking a while back and forth with it. But now that I've started like making stuff like this, it's been a slow process, but like we're finally just getting a hang of it to like make things match the style pretty easily, which is nice. I gotta. Are you selling some? No, but that's something I gotta start doing. I tried putting some stuff on the Epic Store a few years ago at this point, but it got rejected for not having enough items, even though it had freaking like 30. It was a rock pack basically, and it had like 30 different meshes and like 4 different variations of them, like of the material on it. And like I never got a follow up with them because their marketplace stuff's kind of iffy. So I need to do that though, like, and try to go back to that. I just need to. Have you tried out the platform? Yeah, that's what I was about to get to. Like, I need to just. I had started like a picnic pack a while ago where I was gonna do like a. I was gonna do like a stylized little scene. But it ended up being where I just I forgot about it because just other crap got in the way, right? Like, that's my biggest thing is I need to. Same with like I think I could convert the. So I did like a tavern project for my not portfolio, but just to have, you know. And I think I need to. Do I have the fountain? That was never a model, huh? Oh yeah. It's a model in here. Yeah, so center or something. Where the heck did that go? Like I copied something and it just. Maybe we do something like this. Maybe we. This could actually go this way. And then. Do like a. Type thing. Where this. I need to put it on. The grid, but something like that, right? Where we actually like have it come out. And then that kind of makes a nice entrance there. But yeah, what about you? What you been up to? I guess for anyone. Obviously. Yeah. Doing projects at the same time. Never. That's impossible. That's not a thing, is it? Phrasing. Being mostly working to make a spare part for someone with plasticity. Oh, that's cool. Awesome. That's kind of cool. For a barbecue? Or as a BBBQ? I'm like, that's something I don't know about. Yeah. You never know. Like, everything's an acronym, you know? Best barbecue. There you go. Like, you ever see a Taylor Swift fan? Anything can be. I've seen like the longest thing ever, and it's the whole damn song. Where I'm just like, I'm supposed to know that acronym by like seeing DCI, you know, blah 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 blah, like 80 letters in a row. I'm supposed to be like, I know that one. You want to make a simulator for giant? Oh, that's cool. Oh, you know what? Let's use the tiny corners too. We can pilot the thing. That would be fun. I saw like Microsoft Flight Sim release an update for Dune. So they added like I always forget what the damn chopper thing is called. But like the bug thing, the wasp chopper or whatever it is. I was like, that's just awesome. Just reminded me of it. Like, that'd be funny. Just they release a version Iron Robot update. Just traverse the world. Giant robot. Do some of the, what is it? Let's see. Oh, come on. My scroll wheel on my mouse is broken at the moment. He started to build parts for the robot, but got, oh yeah. Sidetrack never. That's impossible. Whoa. Are we building the roads right here in the most annoying way possible at the moment? Yes. Do I care? No, not really. Do I lie to myself and say I'm going to replace it? Yeah, of course. Yeah. I mean, the nice thing is, like, it's not like the final little thing, so it's just been nice to just, you know, experiment with different designs quicker. Where it's like, I probably could make and I say I could just do I could just generate this for the most part. But I like hand placing it, so I can be like, this isn't working. I like to be picky. Come on. Yeah. Well, I wouldn't even need to use geometry nodes, but we could. I guess to spawn the outside parts. We could literally, I mean, I literally have it over here. Yeah. We're like, we could at least do this. If we're going to draw stuff, like, this is just spawning one per 400 meters or however wide the mesh is. Right. But I could then I could change that where I say, okay, on the bounds, you know, on the bounds of whatever this object makes, add this, you know, the lines, and then on the corners add the thing, and then just figure it out. But I don't know. Like, something like this. It has one thing, yeah. Geometry node packages, yeah. That's definitely something. Yeah, I probably could. I could. Oh man, there's so many things. It's just dedicating time to it, and then like whether or not people want it. I guess I should probably do like a survey in my Discord or somewhere. Ask what people want. Like, I saw someone I follow for this the other day release like a lighting tool. That's just an editor blueprint. And I was like, oh, that would have been easy to release. I just didn't think about it. But like, I have a little bit of a lighting tool, but not as advanced as what he did. He did like a detection tool, so it literally just, all it's doing is when it's open, it gets the nearest light. It then gets whether it's set to movable, etc. Tell you how, and then it like gets how expensive the lights are. We already got your rocks back. Well, I gotta fix that. Yeah. I mean, that one, it's been a while. I gotta update it to even if I wanted to release it. Oh god. Come on, Jesus. Maybe repurpose them with geometry nodes. Oh, that's kind of smart. I forgot if I plugged this in. I think I was still working on this. Yeah, even something like this I could do, where it's like if I make a editor utility function, reminds me we need to do that just in case there's anything. All right, good. And then yeah. But no, I was thinking, so when geometry tools came out, I made a tool for it. That I had been using, and then I stopped because there was a baking error, like a packing error. Even though they weren't freaking packed. But there's a what's called like a quick building tool, basically. And that's the issue too. Like, I mean, not the issue, but I also like just giving stuff away. Like, I still gotta finish the damn. I'm working on the common UI tutorial for YouTube. That's gotta be done. So much to do, so little time. Well, not really, but plenty of time. But no, I know I started that in like November. And then I never finished the project because I got hooked on this. Alright, cool. That one I gotta finish in general. There was stuff wrong with it. Alright, cool. Now we can do this. We got that done. Ta-da. Oh. Okay, so this one. Oh, I'm a title last type of person. At the moment I don't have a title. If I had a title, it'd probably be like, oh, dear God, I had it and I had it. It was somewhere. I was thinking something like, so it's, my character Milo. So it's gonna be like, Milo's Adventure, or Milo's Island Journey, something where it's like, or Milo's Adventure to, you know, Adventure of the Crystal Cove or something. Where the hell did that go? I had it here. There we go. Nope. Please select the right one. Hey! Devro, thanks for the raid. Well, hello there, Shadow. Ah! Hope, Dev, I don't think I've ever seen. So how's, you have been suggested. You have been weighed. You have been measured. Fine, check me out, thanks. What were you streaming over there? Hopefully something good. Yeah, how's it going? For anyone coming in with the raid, I'm working on a top-down adventure game, I guess we'll call it, today. Right now we're just I'm just kind of messing around, with the, like, tiles on the ground and stuff. We got, like, walking to activatable buttons and stuff working earlier. And yeah, it's supposed to be just a nice little cozy project organization. Nice. It's important. Do it. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a nice little cozy game where we're gonna I've been saying Ooblets meets Animal Crossing type of thing with a little bit of more adventure into it, right? Or at least hopefully a little more adventure to it. Where we're going to be exploring like different islands, different like caves and stuff like that. Rather than, you know, going and building our city. We're going to be exploring out here. And it's like a new art style and stuff for me that I've been trying to do. Yeah, that's cool. What kind of project are you working on? Thought you was making a... I mean, what do you want to learn? Let's go. I mean, I am working on a new tutorial. Not here, though. I gotta... Machine learning... I can't even speak. Machine learning agents. Probably can speak better than me at this point. Oh, hello. But yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so we're doing not that. We've never heard the word optimization. But yeah, so I normally do game dev, obviously. This is my main project for now, I guess, but I'm normally working on a much bigger project that's like a Zelda-like game. Different art style. Words. I forget them. But yeah. They're in 5.3, I know. And then this one, hold on. So I'm not on 5.3. This one also has like some fancy, so like the main branch, not this one, has some new stuff too that is coming. Besides the like neural, there's like there's one for, what is it? I just gotta, hold on. But I know there's one for like actual, there's a bajillion now. There's too many plugins. So now there's like machine learning. I forgot when this came in. So there's that adapter. I forgot if that's 5.3 or not. And then for nearest neighbor. Wednesdays, you have a little Unreal learning project where you try stuff out and build systems. We organize today so we can work towards something playable. Oh, cool. Nice. A tactical RTS. I love freaking RTS games. But they're experimental. Yeah, there's some other machine learning stuff, though, too, that they've been adding. I just don't remember when they came in. Especially for, like, the deformer stuff. But then there was, like, something, like a... I was trying to remember. I was looking through it the other day, and I was like, hey, I wonder what that will be. Oh, neural rendering. Is a new thing I saw in here. Yeah. But yeah, my favorite game, like, growing up was Command and Conquer. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Like, I grew up on, like, I loved But yeah, pity, gotta get some sleep, y'all. Yep, sounds good. Y'all, what? Yeah, no, thank you. Thanks for sending people my way, I guess. But yeah, there's all sorts of weird, like the neural denoiser now with the neural network engine stuff. There's one more somewhere, and I don't remember what it was. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Something. I don't know. Too many things. I remember like before UE5 came out, there was like 200 and something plugins, and like every UE5 like branch, it like they added 50 more plugins, which I love because like the engine should be more modular, and that's how it should be built. But at the same time, it's like there's 600 plugins now. It'd be nice to just like install them separately. But yeah, thank you. Yeah, so we got that. So I'm just working on like this road. Really, I was just saying I need to make a tool to just have this stuff placed automatically. But I'm lazy, which is funny because it's making more work for myself, especially since I'm placing them terribly. So I know I'm gonna replace them. Because I can't have that, basically. But for now, this is what we do, and we don't like it. Okay, cool. So if we got that done, we need... I'm trying to think what the other stuff I had planned today. Just fixing this, fixing that. I think we could fix some stuff on the model here, and then I think what was it? I said to do like the little lights. So let's work on that too. Oh, hello. God. My goodness! Hey, thank you so much for gifting. I mean, so much, honestly. The support, it helps out so much. I appreciate it. You're the best. Nice. Hey, and I had a sub goal for 5. Good job. You crushed it. Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, get to sleep. That's my pretend to be, or it's not pretend. That's my tough voice. Grr. I don't know. Keep talking if you stay. Hard to be tough is like, it's funny. Like to me, I'm just like, what am I gonna do? Like, yeah, go to sleep. No, you're fine. All right. What were we? What? I don't know what they would be called. Like, so what I was thinking is like doing like light fixtures for like the landing zone, right? So like, I mean, I guess we technically don't even need to model this, but we could. Where's the thing? Here. Like I was thinking like the landing lights, I guess could be the name. Because I was thinking about doing like little lights on here. We probably could just make this in editor, to be honest. Because it's literally going to be a... something like this. Radius 5. Alright, cool. They like change it to this, and now I don't remember where anything is. Mesh. What? Hey, yeah, save time. Never. gotta adjust those warnings. Because now I have them on both YouTube and Twitch, basically. Because I'm co-streaming. Hey, thanks for the follow as well, Jeff. Do you prefer Dev or Row, I guess? Or should I just make something up every time? Also, by the way, if you have anything from like your projects or anything, and this goes for anyone coming in with the raid, that you want to share, links are allowed in chat, and all that. And it can be any work, whether or not it's related to the, you know, whatever. As long as it's not some weird thing that's, you know, shouldn't be on Twitch. Let's do just like some little simple, like this. And then, hello. Literally, boom. Hello? Downside right there. It's like, what the heck is that? What is that going to? But yeah, something like this, right? That's all I'm imagining. Something nice and simple. I wish there is there a way to select all this for me? Because I don't like it already. What he means is no. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's allowed on Twitch. Have you seen the art section lately? Jesus. Sorry, forget it. It's just, oh my god, gosh. Like I was like, good thing they have a game dev section now, because I mean, everyone do what you want, but it's like, come on. There are people literally just streaming nothing, having a random video loop in the corner. And it's like, you're not even doing art. Like... Oh god, where is this happening? Yeah, where is this? Where's this happening? What? Let me go fix this. But yeah, no, it's like ever since they, like, it's not as bad. So like they had changed the rules on Twitch to allow like nudity, as long as it was like classified. And then at art streams, you could, you know, not worry if you were making something. And basically people took advantage of that. They changed it back 2 days later, but it's still like, it's not as bad as it was during those 2 days, but like, it's definitely an issue where it's like, come on. It makes it where it's like, I've seen legitimate like art people on here get banned for, you don't think you've been on Twitch in over a year? Yeah, probably good. I just know, like, I follow the channels on like yeah, of course, yeah. Well, to me it's like, allow it, because there's definitely like legitimate, like, I've had legitimate people like drawing a portrait that, you know, they have a little nipple on it or whatever, and like their channel got banned, or they'd have to worry about being banned. But it's like they're actually doing like they're an artist that's working on a actual piece or whatever, and it's like, compared to like these people were just taking advantage of the issue, where it's like, you don't even normally stream an art. But it's like they weren't even just doing that. They were like, what I've seen, and it's still there, is like, they'll have it where, because Twitch was like, we won't define what art is or whatever, you know, some bullcrap thing. So now what people are doing is like, they'll have like 4 videos playing, and it's just like YouTube videos playing of like girls twerking. And I'm like, okay. Like, me, I'm just like, God, just freaking. Who wants to watch that? Like, just go watch it yourself at that point. Like, isn't there a bevel tool? If they're not under this, reading's hard. Also, did the music pause? Yeah. What the heck? Did I disconnect? Hello, internet. Doing some yeah, like, yeah, that's what I mean. Like, yeah, and which it's not like, like it is common in art of humans because that's part of the thing, but not the one. Nah, like I don't even care about what they're drawing. It's more of a if you're not even actually drawing yourself and doing it, like, come on. All right, let's just do a cheap one, which is extrude. This is probably more work to do it in here. Hello? I don't know why the music stopped. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Also, I'm now apparently creating the music. Of weird habits, okay. No, what's happening with YouTube? All right, close it. Close it. By the way, if anyone wants all I'm listening to on stream is like what's called created copyright free music. Riot. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't really mind because I'm not in that section anymore, but obviously I can stream to YouTube. But yeah, something like this, like a little light. I guess we probably could remove the top one, and just have it be straight up light. And then, oh yeah, I guess we can. I don't know why I decided to do this in editor, by the way, either. But we did it. But yeah, like Riot came out with like tons of hours of free music streamers, like a year or two ago, I want to say. That's all this is. You guys ever need to? I just switched to it because all those copyright free music on YouTube was getting flagged because half of it isn't actually copyright free. It's a little safer. Gradient. There we go. Come on. God dang it. I've been using this tool for how long and I keep forgetting buttons. Alright, we're just doing as you can see, like most of the models we're working on, I just do a little simple palette. Have a little swatch texture basically that we're picking on, and probably do something like this. Okay, and then it is. Hello, place. And I just, there we go. Perfect. Yeah, that's too small. Oh, not even done. So let's do metal. That's all I was imagining. Some little something like this. Ta-da. Probably go on the corner, I don't know. And then we could probably put them like here. Do a little. Whoa. A little too much, buddy. I don't know, I'm trying to add it so that it looks like techie over here, where some kind of gate, you know, some kind of something where it looks like, oh, okay, yeah, don't stand there. That's why I was thinking about doing like, do some like, God dang it. Also, ad starting. Oh god, I forgot to say it. I mean, some of you guys just got to give subs, so hopefully. But yeah, so that's what I'm trying to figure out, right? And then like I think what we'll do is probably like a, I don't. What happens if you stand there? I don't know. Would you like to try? Let's see. Is it in here that I have it? Also, what is this tool? Oh, this is my PCG spawner. I forgot if I saved the tool in this project. Basically, so these are the scriptable tools. If you guys haven't worked with them, they're really great. Basically, you can make your own scriptable tool that you can actually have settings, and then it, you know, takes over whether or not you're clicking or whatever. You can make a, you could use this to create splines and generate something on that spline. All sorts of fun stuff. It's actually really cool. Also, how's it going? Loose with the fur. Freaking sorry, I saw the like Reba posted that this weekend. Like a picture, it was all trending everywhere. Funny. Let's see. Oh, my other project's opening. I shouldn't have done that. Hello, come on, get out of here. Oh, thank God. Okay, that's what was happening. The other editor was taking control. Okay, do I have them here? So that's my spawn. This, oh. This is the custom snap tool. Hey. Okay. So that's spawn. Oh, we do. No, that's for. Dang it. I have one somewhere. It must be in a side project somewhere. And not in this project. I thought I had it in here. But this one's just for the PCG stuff, which is basically like it spawns a spline. Right? And then I can make a path through that spline. Is basically what happens here with with the PCG tools. Dang, okay. Anyways. Alright. Man, bad. I'm not trying to comp at you guys. No, this damn mic picks up everything. Anyways, let's do this. Let's go. Should we create it here? No, let's. We can literally just have a spline mesh. And then we'll do that later. We'll do the set. So spline mesh. Actor. P spline mesh. So let's go spline. Right. It's not a sphere, it's a cylinder. How big is this? That's not it. That's not what it's supposed to be. Okay. Either way, we need a different cylinder. But not a default cylinder that's like tiny. I guess for now we'll do this. Okay, cool. So what we can do is literally just what the heck? So spline mesh. Oh, that's interesting. Was that always a thing? I don't remember that being a button. I don't think it was a button. Let's see. Oh, wrong button. Well, can I not see the spline? On that, that's the spline tool, right? Why can't I see it in? I mean, even though I do this. Are you serious? Okay, so is it always like that? No, it's not always like that, right? Yeah. I was gonna say. Hello? Oh. Move. There we go. Can't I? Now I'm doubting myself. How do I... What the heck is happening? Am I not thinking of spline mesh? Am I thinking of something else? No, I shouldn't be. Either way, a spline should be more than 1 point. How do I add points? I haven't edited a spline in too long. Oh god. I've forgotten all of my knowledge. I'd be a dumb boy. No, what the heck? Isn't it like hold? Is it hold shift? No. Alt? No. Everywhere else it's that, but not here. And we can... Now I'm thinking like there's something different about the... What was I... There's not another spline, right? Maybe I just want a spline. Okay, duh. Okay. Yeah. My bad. So it would be spline, and then... Dang it. And then from here, we can put an object on that, or do a spline mesh on it. In a loop. And we'll do like the... In fact, I should already have this, I think. Spline. No. Mesh. This is called Should Have Organized. So that's the one we're working on. Editor mesh. Building spline. There we go. Maybe. No, that's for building. Build tools. That's for the actual thing. I'm tempted just to do the wall gen type stuff, and I guess we would respawn it. Yeah. So this would be where we spawn a thing per start and stop. On construct, get mesh, get spline, and we'll set that up later. Right now, I'm not, because I know for a fact there's a version of what I'm wanting in the contents exam. In fact, that should be just. Hold on. Is there a pipe? No. It's in my other project. For now, I'll just set up some splines. My God. We don't get to do things today. I actually meant to get up to. Hold on. Yep. For a second. I'll be right back. And then we'll break some more stuff. Alright. I realized I could just do this. Might as well grab it. Alright. And then use this. You have successfully added a dangle to your tools. What do you mean by dangle? Like a And for me, I'm imagining like a socket that you could attach something to, you know, wiggle. Or you've added dangle as in a dangle tool? In which case, I don't know what a dangle is. Alright. Also, what was this note? Metal barrels. Oh. No help. I think we got like 3 metal barrels back there. So my project. Fine. There we go. Fine, great. Fine tool. Oh, here we go. Sorry, yeah. The tools on the player's belt. Now, nice! So they dangle around with the character moves. Did you use, like, wiggle bones? Yeah, that's awesome. I love when that happens. Like, especially, like, if it... Yeah, like, you're running and you stop, and then you see that stop after, like, depending on how it's all set up. I know, like, the... What is it? Wiggle bones and, like, the there's something you can do in... Like, I know they talk about it in, like, the Fortnite talking. How they do those. In one of those. And I wanted to do it. I just don't have, I mean, I'm not good at skeleton stuff. Alright, there should now be a spline tool in here. The spline mesh is not it. Did it not import? Spline. You added extra bones to your skeletal mesh and then added to the physics body. Oh, okay, yeah. No, I know, like, what is it? Now I gotta remember what it. Why can't this? Why am I not seeing these? I think I already closed it. But yeah, what's called? I don't know what you did to do it, but I know there's this. There's obviously bones and stuff. Wiggle bone sounds, yeah. Well, I think Wiggle Bones is the name in Blender. Yeah, I'll have to... It's from way back... it's a few years back now that the video would have been from. And it's probably... It's literally where you kind of set up the same thing. But all it is a physics that you put on your bone. Where, like, you... Or it's like an IK type of thing. Like, where you tell it like this bone is a... Is it called wiggle? That would be funny. But like if you animated it and stuff, that obviously basically same thing, and probably easier because they have to handle it where, you know, like yeah, I think I just need to look through it. Okay, so it's like animation, and then it might be dynamics. No, god dang it. Now I gotta find it just so I know the name. But it might be like part of this where they like, I don't know. I'll probably find it off stream and let you know. Because it might be something you can just add on to what you're doing to give it a little thing. I don't know. I know it's just one of these basically. It's a node that you know, feed the bones into. And it basically makes it where it like it gets the information, but like with a delay. So it's still like moving the way it's supposed to. But then it's like a, you know, it just delays each following bone. Some kind of blend, some kind of, there's so many damn things. Now my for animation right. Feel like it was part of this. Here we go. Boom. Yes, do we have to find it? Yes. So now they do. It's somewhere in here. Part of their virtual bone setup. You can set up. So that's why I'm like, you've probably seen it before. Because they do it with the dog. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Give me the dog. I feel like this might be a different one. But it's similar to this one. No, not animation. It's the same kind of thing though. Just answering animation, no. I did have to add a rigid body node. It might literally just be a rigid body. And it might just be how they, you know, I'm remembering how they did it. I thought it was this one though. It's got to be one of these. Because it probably, 100%, I'm pretty sure it is some sort of the rigid body system. God damn it. No, this is the... It was this year, though, that they talked about this. Where's this playlist? Is there an Unreal Fest 2019? I'm hoping... I saw they announced the Unreal Fest this year. 5 locations for them. I'm hoping to go to that. The one here. Unreal Fest 2020... EDC, Unreal Fest Europe. Here we go. We don't get distracted. It's got to be work for Fortnite. No, that's the... Maybe it is in here and I just... skipped it, but I thought it was like a woman talked first, and then the guy came in. And that's why I was like, maybe it's some kind of... Because I remember it was when they introduced the dogs into Fortnite. It's specifically like what they... A profile system. That's cool. I don't know. Too many things. Watch it be GDC. Been here too long. What this is saying. Might be in one of these. Yeah, optimizing for Fortnite. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. It's got to be this one. They're talking about animation, right? Yeah. I like how this 100% does not matter. I'll find it later if I don't find it in the next couple of seconds, but... CPU optimization. Oh, man, there's so many. Whatever. Dang, Epic and having too much content to look through. Oh, there's a different dev days. Hold on. No, that's a different. What is this? There we go. I knew it. Teaches the complexity. Here we go. It's the dynamics. You were 100% right, but because like that's how the hair does it. Is the anim dynamics? Which is handy because you can already switch off what you're doing in a tactical role. Yeah, that's awesome. Because yeah, it's here. Because they do like the cloth physics is the dynamic system. And they show some. Yeah. The danglies. That's why I thought of it. See, danglies. Aha. So it's literally what you did. I thought it was a different node. But it's like dynamics, and then you could do like this. So they have a constraint that you can put it in. Yes. Did we delay stream just to find this video? Correct. So they do this, right? This is how they handle all their danglies and stuff. That's why it's like dangle. Yeah, that seems like some fun stuff to do. So it's this video. And then they just have rigid body on these ones. Here's this video. I'll send this to you just in case I'll link it just in case you want to know more about what they do. And maybe it'll help you like constraint your system, you know? I don't know. It's probably not that helpful if you've already using the same thing. But yeah, it's that same kind of setup. I should have known when it was like the first thing I saw in here was dynamics, and you were talking about it too. I was like, I don't know, it's something. I don't know how these things work. All right, so Spline Tools didn't make its way over here, even though I imported it. So I'm not sure what happened there. And yes, did we just focus on that way for way too long? Yes, we did. Yeah, and then I think the European one was by like the person under that woman, or or like the next video, or the European one with Jay. Yeah. Handy. Yeah, like I know they at least talk about how they handle it, so like it could be where there's something like extra you could do. I don't know. I think at this point you have it done. And it's already done, but I don't know. Alright, so blueprints. And I called it spline tools over here. Sorry, I literally just the spline tools. Blueprints. Spline tool, right here. Export, or no, not export. Oh, did I hit export? I think I hit export because I just did it again. Yeah, dumb. Why didn't it show up? Oh, because we didn't hit the right button? Maybe? The spline tool. And then here we just assign the actual mesh. So that would be a cylinder. Right? This is one that I've had done for a while. So it's just boop. And then we'll have to create our spline, obviously. But I know that this one actually does it, so ta-da. And then, so basically this one can also spawn at the actual spline points on mesh, right? If I wanted it to. And then like change the number of meshes, change all sorts of, it's already set up for tons of stuff. Like meshes from an array, meshes from, right? Override material, and then this is gradient. That is not a gradient. Where's the other one? Yeah, there we go. Oh, do I 100% misspell this? Somewhere? Yes, I do. I know that. That works all right. Alright, the nice thing is we can then control physics, no physics. Add a little flop to the arm. So that's how you can, if you do, have you done like ragdoll stuff too? Because I was gonna say that's definitely an easy way. If you do the, what is it, simulate, or the, it's like full body simulate. There's something. But you can basically, once you have your body, no, there's simulate, no. God, what is it now? I did it so long ago. I remember doing a whole game on it, a game jam, because they did it right before. Whatever the normal one that people use to simulate a character, Ragdoll. I haven't done character stuff in so long I don't remember the name. It's like it's some physics thing. And I know this is actually in the like the fat system. Oh, there it is. Friggin' set all bodies below simulate physics. Right? So you can use this and then tell it like only your like the bone you want. So like all bodies below blend weight. And then you give it all the bones you want to simulate, and you can up that blend weight to be like 1 so that it's simulating full physics on it. It's also how you would do, like, say your character hits a wall or something. You can like have it simulate physics a little bit. It's nice. I mean, overall there's the content examples project. If you go to the animation side of it, there's a physical animation level, I believe. But yeah, obviously you could also dangle. Alright, so let's do main scale, so like 0.5, 0.5. And then let's do the now where's the spline tool? How do I... That's what I was trying to do earlier. I was like, I know there's a way to open the spline generation panel. There we go. And then make it a circle. Select object. Ta-da. Something. You know, some random junk here. Whatever it is. I don't know. Probably not like this, but y'all get the point. Okay, cool. So now, let's see what we should work on. Let's work on this. What house is this? This is a house that wasn't exported. Let us go here. Export. Content. Let's go models, building. Just, house. Sure. House B. I tried working with like the what's called the other day. I don't remember the crap. I tried working with that export type. Seeing how it's going along. What is it? The USD. And it's not terrible. It's just friggin'. I mean, for me, it was crashy still. No, USD. So USD is even nicer than Alembic. because you can have the same file for just a couple megabytes rather than 100. The editor doesn't fully support all of that yet. But I wanted to see the workflow, because the way it should be is literally it's just Blender doesn't support it at the moment, and neither does like Substance Designer or Unreal. It's made with like it's Disney's open source format, right? USD. It's universal scene description, and basically it can import a material, it can import textures, all that stuff. But it's supposed to make it where I was just seeing how far along its progress, because really what should be able to happen is I should be able to have my model and material in here and basically live edit it. And by that I mean I like if the file gets updated, it should update, because like Substance supports that, where like with a plugin, where like you import it, if you edit it somewhere else, it will then come back in automatically. And it should be like live edit, but or at least it has that possibility, right? But it's just supposed to be a better format, and like it's smaller. There's more structure to it, so like you could. It's just the Unreal implementation doesn't fully support every single thing it supports, so like it's different. But like it supports folder structure, so like you could design a scene all the way in Blender, import it into Substance, you know, have that folder support still there, have those materials all saved into the file, and then import it into Unreal, have everything all set up. Basically, it's the way it's supposed to work. Yeah. And like that's where it comes in handy. Like that's why, I mean, they designed it for their own productions. It's just I was more so seeing what features Unreal supported so far. And I haven't used Blender, so like I was trying Blenders, because like the last version of Blender I had, even though USD support was there, it wouldn't let me export to it for some reason. It was the weirdest thing. And how's it going, Mac? But yeah, obviously it's one of those things like I don't technically need it, but it's like I know randomly like there's FBX errors and stuff like that. So I have to export something as OBJ or something to fix it, and it's like but it's supposed to kind of be where it doesn't matter, you know, if your scale's wrong. It doesn't matter where tons of these things where it's like it should know a little more, because it's more like it's designed to be kind of more it's kind of modular and like I don't know, it's cool. It's fancy. Alright. What kind of house do we want? There's the okay, so should be, you know, or this one, right? And then this one's we should technically be able to, but someone could override it. Yeah, there's like I think that, yeah, I think that's not necessarily what I was trying to say, but yeah, I think it was like it's more of a, because yeah, of course it matters, but it's more of a, there's all sorts of, you got it. I don't know, it seems kind of fancy. And generally though, I'd like to see Blender and or Unreal try to clean up the workflow between the two. Well, that's where it's supposed to kind of make it where it kind of doesn't matter so much. And yeah, I don't really see Unreal or either changing. Where like Unreal's not going to cater to Blender. I think this one shouldn't matter the color, because we should set it separately. But I was thinking, like, how would this building be, right? So right now we have it. Oh, yeah, sure. Import. I think keep it like this, where this doesn't matter. But what I was thinking is whether or not this should matter, right? So, like, Remedy used USD for their workflow? Yeah. Oh, nice. I didn't even know that. I know, like, it's becoming more and more the thing because it's obviously there's nice compatibility there where it's like the and obviously it's open source. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. But yeah, I kind of wanted to see like Unreal's support for it, like see if it can import instances and all that. I know we can already import scenes with even like FEX and stuff, but here we go. Panel. Nope. What did I want? I want. Oh, here. Boom. Boom. I can't see. All right. That does not seem right. Why is it scaling? What the heck? Should not be happening. Did something break in geometry nodes? Grid slice. Hello? Okay. Grid slice 1. Can't set it to 0, of course. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm not saying this is broken. But, okay. So I was trying to think if I want to do like, I have a couple different, I should set up, look at my peer ref. I had a couple things earlier. Basically, that's supposed to split it and then make a gap in between each one, and then I can use the panel tool to oh, cool. Yeah, awesome. Nope, Blender's 100% perfect. I guess I should. Hold on. No. Cover last session. This was not last session. Recover. Autosave. 209. Hey. Let's save this as that. Oh, Remedy's stuff looks freaking. They look insane. Gotta watch. Yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at like reference pictures of buildings. I'm thinking like I want to keep this simple. I don't like this top. Kind of looks ridiculous. Yeah. But I think this was supposed to like. Hello. Come on. My damn scroll wheel. Alright, so let's do like I was thinking like log cabin or something, I think, when I made this. Do like I'm just not sure about up here though. I think up here has too many. Yeah. Oh, maybe if this goes wider so it looks like a single piece. And then this was supposed to be like windows or something. I'm not sure. Don't ask me. Not my department. Someone else did that. Yeah, I mean, I did, but we ain't blaming me today. Never seen this in my life. No, not bevel. Yeah, I guess bevel. Dude. Oy. There we go. Woodhouse. And then I think what I was trying to do here. I think what I'll do, I think I was just trying to get a flatter roof style, but really I could just do this, right? Like we could, let's remove that. Oh, dang it. Try squat. No, that's not going to remove that. Okay. Go here. Wait. Let's dissolve edges. Nope, not dissolve edges. Because we got all the corners. My God, okay. I was thinking like this. Okay, and now dissolve edges, I guess. Sorry for the weird camera movement. My scroll wheel is deciding to like scroll back, and I realize I keep saying this. But it's just so annoying. And you guys might not even notice, but I mean you should. It's very obvious that something's happening. So let's do like this, where it's like okay. And then, dear God. Peak inefficiency today. We just manually do everything. Is this also like inverted? Like, what is happening here? Oh my god, did I only have... Oh my goodness. Okay, so this, up. So I think this isn't getting... Because freaking this is probably set to the old... Move by, there we go. I think that still looks awkward as hell. Let's do like that, maybe. I don't know. I'm not one to. I don't get say on this. Damn it. Like just doing like a vertex. Or no, select random. And then we're just gonna boop. We'll just roll down. That's all. There you go. Select random. Close enough. All right. And then for now, just some, you know, light color, I guess. Hello? Okay, that's not an inverted selection, but okay. I don't know. Nope. I do know. The answer's no. So select. At least set it up. The thing's gonna. There we go. I think I do need to create something for it, right? Like we need to. I need to have some kind of creative buildings instead of what I got, but at the same time, like, I'm like, it's fine. So, gradient. Grade rent. Grade I rent. Oh my. I was a letter off. So now all of these are called grade I rent, and I just never noticed. Makes sense. Grade I rent. Sense. It's supposed to be like wood or something. And then what we'll end up doing is like painting the inside darker. And then yeah. Slowly coming together. Oh, and there's an ad starting on Twitch in 40 seconds. And I lost my mouse. Oh dear God. Oh, I'm still playing. My bad. All's fine. Cool. All right, and then there's a. Speaking of building, which we can reuse, we should be able to reuse this once we actually go in there and do stuff. I thought I made a. Yeah, here we go. Not saved out yet, but I need to start saving stuff out. I have a few things in here that I've done inside the editor here that can be saved out. Gradient. Gradient. Let me just do like a. Grass. Grass? Do I remember what grass looks like? Apparently not. No, where's grass? Grass? What's it called? What is it called? Because it's small grass. Okay. Like it apparently isn't grass because that's not popping anything up. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay. So that is an issue with this, is if we do thin strips, then it's gonna be like that where we get lines. And then yeah, this looks ugly. So what needs to happen is this needs to go bye-bye. Come on. I think that's fine. Oh, okay. Let's do this. And so if that's the case, we might as well go like that. And then for the roof itself, type that. And then by distance. Come on. Oh, it's because that one's still split. Okay, cool, cool. I was like, what the heck is happening? Because I don't know. Alright, so we do that. So this one comes up. Just kind of split the difference between these. Goodness. And then oh. Okay, so that one I'm not worried about yet. Come on, Jesus. My goodness. So this one. Yeah, and then this is freaking, yeah, okay. Okay. I don't know. We do some all crazy. Could probably do something like this where we add a little detail to the corners. And then it makes it where it looks a little rounded. Come on. Okay. Now let's make house or something. Housiness. But you done got housed. Jeez. Okay. Very fancy indeed. And I don't even think we technically need the wood strips. Like, we could probably... This could be a flat building, and I'd be fine. You know? I was just thinking it would add something, but I think if it's too noisy... Let's look at it full screen, right? Like... Yeah. Because we could add noise. You know, we can add some stuff by just having, what's called on there? The words. Names. Things. What's a name for something? I don't remember the... Yeah, decals. Wow. Decal or vertex paint something, you know. Yeah, decals. Words are hard, okay? You expect me to just know every single word? Come on now. All right, so that's another house type. We should probably do like... No, I don't know. We'll see. I've been tempted to say like put something here. Like that kind of works. Maybe as a store, not as the building, right? So if we make a building this big, we can. Make a building that big, and then we got this, and then ta-da! Get over here to do stuff, type of thing. I need to pick what store it would be. I like it though. That's what this has been here for. Do like a... Do I have a... No? No chests? We haven't built a chest yet? How rude. I know we got like a coin. We can throw a coin there. That's not where I put it, but... What? I feel there's something wrong with this. What is happening? Set asset. Set. Oh. Hey. Set asset. Location. So that location. No, I guess no matter what, it'd be a scene. On it bounds. Interesting. I don't remember this being an issue. Technically. But I think it was so that it would go up. Apparently it seems to be not wanting to do that though. On this side, we go up. I think basically everything's gonna have a unique door, because I'm insane. Hey. Like that though. I've been slowly working on the water. I forgot if I told y'all. I need to now figure out or not figure it out, but I need to slant the landscape down. And I've gotten some of the initial story written down and like dialogue and like how the game's gonna open. Whoa. I gotta start putting that system in. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to think how I wanna adjust things. Okay, cool. Got that. This is slowly coming together. Like, it's like we're almost nearly like I know what I'm doing. I don't, obviously. I think for now though, I'm at that point where like it's hard for my brain to think. Like I need to we're gonna end stream so that I can eat some food. Have some time to do stuff before hitting the gym. Anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping in. Gonna go over here. If you guys haven't already, you can hit that follow button. Subscribe. Join the Discord. Oh god, I'm yelling. But we'll go and raid the Fin Fam. She's doing like a 12-hour stream today for Valentine's Day and like a fun little place. And yeah, see you guys later. Hope y'all have a good rest of your day.